Hi, good day everyone. Today we're going to be learn how to replenish the purchase requisitions that which is earlier already issued. Right. So what is the purpose of replenishment purchase requisitions? Right. So before that, this is under purchasing, and in the check PR and replenish, as now we are in the inventory HQ module. So what is the purpose for the check PR and replenish? Even the client side or even the outlet side, they already issue a PR. It can be issued as a based on selected items and a quantity that they need. But when come to the HQ purchasing department, they need to check the PR whether the items and the quantity they requested is really needed, or it can be maybe it's wrong, or maybe it's not tally back the item they requested. So that is the purpose from the HQ side. They need to check all the PR item quantity and need to replenish it back, or is something like that. Is a giving like a recheck back again the PR. If needed to change, they can be changed based on the replenishment concept. Okay, let me go for move into the module. So we click to the check PR replenishments, and here you can see the button which is a load, save, print, and unblock outlet PR. Okay, what is the purpose to the unblock outlet PR? Is now is in the green color. It means that the signal is allow to the outlet issue a PR. If we already click to the into the unblock to the PR, it means that now the system already in the block outlet PR. Means that even the outlet is they are using the client system and they want to issue a purchase requisition. From client side, the system are not allowed to issue PR, because why? The moment outlet issue PR and save, and the moment they already save from the client side, it will immediately update into this under this module, which is a check PR replenishment. So during the replenishment, which is a previous PR or the earlier date PR, during they start to do the replenishment from the HQ side, and if the HQ side they already forgot or misplaced or missing to click to this button, which is called block outlet PR, the PR will be come directly into this portion, and it could be happen a clash into the replenishment. So that is the first step, need to be clicked to the block outlet PR. So once click it, then you need to click to the load, right? And you need to can be select which outlet want to be replenishment. As now this is RRC1 is already active, so I'm selecting this RRC1, and here you can be selected which is the filter by date, followed by which is issue date TPR. So example, I choose 9, and either you can be choose a delivery date, and here you can choose as a display open PR or display pending PR. We always go for display open PR. And delivery type, which is we can go for direct, which is earlier the purchase requisition issued based on the direct. And if we go for warehouse, means it means that if the warehouse side, even the warehouse people, they issue a purchase requisition to get approval from the HQ side, also it can be done followed by the delivery type followed by warehouse. So let me choose for the direct and check back again to the RRC outlet 1 and click OK. So now you can see all the information is here, but before that, make sure the save button it should be enabled. So we should go for unblock the outlet PR. So then only the save button is enabled. So it means that the outlet is not able to issue any PR at this moment. All right. Okay. Now let's go for check for all the columns here. Here you can see the items that earlier issued in the purchase requisitions, and this is what this pack size. Let me expand the column, and you can see the shop balance as now is a 0 quantity, and quantity in PO, which is earlier in the purchase order whether they issued and how many quantity, the total of the issued. As for now is a cube of a chicken stock, which is a 1 box followed by 6 cube. The system is calculating by in the cube method, and here the requesting quantity followed by into the purchase requisition and the they requested. As for the now current stock balance, which is the stock is a 0 quantity, and balance after is a go for minus if I haven't replenished yet. And this is the place where we can do the replenishments. and this is as on delivered to the shop is a group 1 and followed by group ID. All right, and this is a group name. This earlier the outlet setting we create east, west, and something like that, and supplier quantity, which is a and supplier UM. Okay, now how to replenish it, which is a mean that it could be changed the quantity. In case now the chicken they should not be receiving as a 10 kg, it could be less or it could be more. So if let's say we want to change the quantity here, we need to click to the this replenishment quantity to here, and this is a checkbox will be come out. Okay, first of all, you can be change the supplier. If in case this chicken is delivered for another supplier also, you can be changed as another supplier into this here. In case if the Tongwo they are not capable to deliver, you can go for the supplier B if already entitled to add in on the supplier B. So as now we only for Tongwo, so let's be click to Tongwo, and quantity order here, which is a 10 kg. So you want to be maintained as a 10 kg, or you want to be reduced back, or you want to be increased back. This is the place quantity order. So example, I change it to the 8 kg, and the price also is a slightly different. Maybe I can be pointing to like 8.50. So the price will be automatically change it during after I save it. So once the quantity is confirmed to the quantity order here, then you can save it and you go to the down, and it's become as a change is a $8. So if let's say let me go back to here, and the price is maintained to the $8, because why? As a per kg price we already set is a $8 during on the supplier settings. All right, so if the 8 kg didn't change and maintain, then we maintain here. And if let's say this is a cube of chicken stock, which is a 5 box, is a maintain as a same, then you can be leave it as a 5. Okay, now so this is how you can be maintain the replenishment, the quantity, whether you want to give them is a more quantity or the reduced quantity, or is a leave it as a same quantity as a requesting. So once done, then you click to the save. So once save, the check PR and replenishment module is already done. It means that if you go back to the again to the check PR and replenishments, so let me go back to again to the check back whether the PR is there or not. So go back to the RRC1 and deliver here, and if I click OK, it means that is blank. It means that the replenishment is already done. So this is how you can be do the check PR and replenishment. Okay, thank you.